Scott, and today on King Scott Cooks, I won't travel the world over because Chef Christie from Dierbergs teaches me the art behind how to make a perfect sushi roll. Do you know what goes great with sushi? A little ginger.
Hello, Chef Christie.
Hey, King Scott, how are you today?
I'm doing great.
Good.
So, what's the big surprise?
Okay, so I know you love sushi.
Yes, I love sushi.
Sushi?
Yep.
So we're gonna make sushi today.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right.
Well, let me go wash my hands and get ready.
The most important part of sushi, most people think it's the fish. Fish is important, but I think it's the rice.
Really?
So I'm gonna let you make the rice. Scoop it out and put it onto the tray there.
Nice.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut some veggies while you're getting that ready.
A lot of rice is in here.
Perfect.
Make your nose clean.
Okay, drizzle it onto your rice there. So this is our bamboo mat. This is what's gonna help us roll the sushi. All right, take your nori. So
Nori, what?
now, if you look at it, there's a shinier side and a rougher side, right? The rougher side goes up.
Okay, rougher side goes up.
Perfect. Now turn it this way.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. All right, perfect. Okay, so that water that we added a little vinegar to, we're going to just rub it on our hands. That's gonna keep the rice from sticking to our hands. We're gonna grab a little bit of that rice and we're gonna take it right down our sushi.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a little bit of avocado. I'm gonna take a little cucumber. And then I'm gonna take a couple shrimp. Take the tails off. Then we have to seal when it comes to a roll. You can either use water if you don't like spicy, but I love wasabi. A little goes a long way. So just like 3 or 4 little dots, rub that along the edge there.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm gonna wash my hands.
So I get some avocado, and pickle item. The green. It's good.
So I roll it until it kind of makes a seam there, and I kind of give it a good little tucking. Keep going. And you've got the perfect little roll.
Yep.
Hello.
Okay, once we've got our roll done, then I'm gonna cut it into those lovely bite-sized pieces. You ready to cut yours?
All right. I've never done this.
That's a pretty big roll.
Yeah.
It's like a burrito. I'm going in for one.
Oh, let's get some fish in it. Just kind of. Oh, wasabi. You know how
A little too much?
I've got my nose in it.
Do we want to just go into the store and get takeout sushi?
Yeah, because I don't think that's gonna sell well. Mine.
No.
Yours looks amazing.
Yeah, let's just go get the sushi from the sushi guy.
Okay.
Oh yes, it's full. Let's see what we got. Hi, how are you today?
Hi.
Can I get like a California roll but with spicy sauce?
Yeah, sure.
Let's grab some chopsticks. I mean, we need some like sake, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And some ginger. Okay. Perfect. We got like a whole party.
Yeah.
Let's
This
go
is
eat.
awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yes. Thank you, Chef Christie, for teaching me how to make the perfect sushi.
Sushi. Yes.
Well, thank you for that. It's a
Can't even wait till you get in the car, can you? So good.
Thank you again, Chef Christie. Thank you, Dierbergs, for letting me eat and have some amazing solutions from. I got this from the Bento. It's way easier than making it.
You should stick with that from now on for sure.
Yeah, I didn't do so good.